The Secret Garden of Wishes. Elsa was enjoying on a beach. There was a shiny shell. She found a book under it. When she opened it, she found a way to the Secret Garden of Wishes. The book started glowing. She was surprised to find herself in an enchanted forest. There were flowers everywhere. She was talking to animals. She was surrounded by beautiful birds and who gave her wonderful dresses. She asked for wings from birds. After enjoying the ride, she opened her eyes to find herself in her room again, reading a book with her friends. Whenever she thought about that beautiful adventure, it brings a smile on her face. She tells stories about the Secret Garden of Wishes to her friends. Question and answers. Question 1. Where did Elsa find the shell? A. Garden. B. Beach. C. Mountains. Answer beach. Question 2. The shell was Answer shiny. Question 3. What did she find under the shell? A. A book. B. A pen. C. A lock. Answer a book. Question 4. What happened when the book started glowing? Answer. She found herself in an enchanted forest. Question 5. Choose the things she found in the forest. Flowers, animals, children, shells, birds, sand. Answer. Flowers, animals, birds. Question 6. Which of the following words are nouns? A. Elsa. B. Forest. C. Find. D. Beach. Answer. Elsa, proper noun. Forest and beach, common noun. What is your secret wish? Take a paper and draw it. Bye for now.